What is this? This. Yes! Welcome on board. I'm Angelique Binet, founder of Social Media Love, and I help anybody who has a message to share with the world to get the skills and the confidence to show up online every day, to build a community, to get a bunch of raving fans and customers. So today I want to dig in directly on 3 tips on how to use, I should say, things I've learned about YouTube hashtags, because I didn't know that we could use them, but it's been a long time that, hashtags and YouTube work together. But the new part is that now hashtags for business are key on YouTube, and I'm gonna tell you 3 things that you should be applying to your business. Number 1, and I'll show you after. So first, if you want to learn more stuff like that are trending or coming up for your social media marketing, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and you click on the notification bell so that you get the notification each time I go live or I post a new video on my channel, okay? So number 1 is that now on YouTube, you can put your hashtags on the description of your video or in the title of your video. So that's pretty cool, because what does a hashtag do? A hashtag is a tool that we use in social media marketing in different platforms so that people can gather around a similar topic, something they're searching for or something they'd like to be found for. So if you want to be found for what you have to offer to the world, this is your chance to add your hashtags on YouTube. So, how many hashtags? Right now, from what I understand, it's up to 15, but only 3 gonna show up at the top of your title, and I'll show you that in a second. And the last thing I want to share with you is that each hashtag that you are using and that YouTube is displaying at the top of your video title, these hashtags are clickable, which means that if you use your own branded hashtag, for example, people click on it and they can see all your videos. Or if you use a very trending, very specific hashtags for, video marketing or for anything with skincare, people are gonna see like related videos around that same topic. So this is pretty cool. So I'm gonna show you right away. Now let me know in the comment, oops, that's me here, if you knew that you could use hashtag on YouTube that way. So this is how it shows. I'm gonna go to my videos here. I'm just gonna make it, and I'm taking advantage of this video to tell you to follow me on YouTube at Social Media Love. Let's go to my latest video. I've just been starting to use them. This one here. If I click on this video, look at what you see here. Right at the top, above the title here, you have those hashtags. So I use social media marketing, YouTube hashtags, more views. So let's click on social media marketing and see what happens. So it gives me like gazillion of video marketing YouTube videos that I can watch, right? So this is pretty cool. So the same with YouTube hashtags. So who is talking about how to use hashtag on YouTube, and you can see all those videos. So don't forget that you can use up to 15 hashtags, but only 3 gonna show up at the top of your title. I'm showing you now where you put your hashtags, right there. You go in the description, and I put them at the end. All of this. So the first 3 ones gonna show up here, right? Oops. Right there. Okay. The other thing I want to let you know is that they're clickable as well from your description. So if I go to entrepreneur on YouTube, it gives me a bunch of videos, including Gary Vaynerchuk and others talking about entrepreneurship. So that's going to be an awesome tool if you want to be discovered by people who are searching specific hashtag. I hope this opened a new door for you, and if this is something you're hearing about for the first time ever in your entrepreneur life, let me know in the comments. And if you learned something that you find really cool, just hit the like button and share with your friends if you think they could take advantage of this. But most of all, I want you to know that if you're really into like moving your business to the next level and you need someone to hold your hands, like so that you don't miss the next steps and stuff, join my free Facebook Social Media Love group. It's a private group where I'm gonna be showing you stuff that I don't show anywhere else. Until then, see you very, very, very soon. Ciao, ciao.